Matt here with St. Bonaventure University's Cyber 501, Week 2, Assignment 2.1. We're looking at network and port scanner tools. Zenmap, nmap, masscan, and we're looking at Unicornscan as well. You'll see here I've got these split into a quad screen. Zenmap being the GUI version of nmap, which is down here in the bottom left, and masscan, CLI, and Unicornscan, which is running an active scan right now, actually. So, after doing a few scans, playing with some flags, I got some data together and kind of did a little comparison table. So we found 9 total hosts overall with Zenmap and nmap on our sweeps. And masscan and Unicornscan found 6. It looks like the reports kind of skipped the hosts that didn't have any open ports. So we found other hosts, but if they didn't have an open ports, it didn't report them in how I set it up to save. So that might be my fault for not reporting on all the hosts. My notes are, so Zenmap and nmap missed a couple hosts that masscan and Unicornscan did find, which is interesting. So we'll skip down to this right now real quick. The masscan found this on 1.113 with 2 open ports. Turns out that is my DVD player. This also can hook up to Netflix and stuff. It's on Wi-Fi. Interesting. It was on for all the scans. I noticed my kids were watching Netflix, but only masscan found it. And Unicornscan found my wireless printer, which is the second time nmap failed to find that, but something else did. Went down here and found 2 ports there. You'll see I have a lot less info plugged in on masscan and Unicornscan. It's because nmap is, at least the flags I used, I was able to inspect the OS and the version and get some more data on the systems. And so we found a lot of ports here with nmap, and it may be because my flags that I used on these others, I'm probably not searching the full range, whereas I kind of let nmap run for a couple hours and scan, a really intense scan. So, but you'll see, like, as far as speed goes, the masscan was running literally in just a few minutes, whereas the nmap scan I ran for literally 2 hours to pull this data. What's one of our interesting hosts? The 1.149, which is my Windows 10 machine that I'm on currently right now. Oh, I didn't plug that in. This found different hosts, different ports than this. It's because it's looking for the flags that I used, kind of their set of popular ports. As I scan the whole range with these guys. Yeah, nmap keeps setting on Windows XP, which is wrong. So, kind of the box I've been testing against, the CentOS VM, we found all the ports that are open on that, on all 3 scans. So, let's hop back to the Kali VM. It's supposed to basically compare different flags that I've used, and I see I came up with this more intense scan here, and I haven't got a chance to totally look at it, but I output it to an XML file. So here's some of the data here. You're able to really dig in, and I like the way that nmap also kind of does things host by host, whereas masscan kind of throws stuff out to me, and you're like, hey, found this port on this machine, and found this port on this machine. A little less organized, in my opinion. And Unicornscan did a similar report where it's like, it bounced around between the hosts kind of a little more randomly. Maybe this is how they're designed to have more speed in their scanning compared to nmap. Also maybe to kind of evade intrusion detection a little bit better by kind of bouncing around, checking things. There's like a randomized flag that you can use so that you don't hit the same host repeatedly over and over again and then get banned or blocked, or the flag set off. So there you have it. There is the four Zenmap, nmap CLI, masscan, and ZebraScan, which is still running. It says this is going to take 15 hours to finish this particular scan. I might have to tweak those flags a bit. So, my favorite of all, I really do like the fact that with the GUI of Zenmap that you can work within this to get your topology, of the network. You get the nice graphical version of the hosts, and you can then also save this out to a saved scan, where the next time you open it up, you get this all right back in here again. That's it for assignment 2.1, and thank you.